Namasamebhyah. Welcome to the series Jānāmahai Bhārataṁ, or Let Us Know India. In our previous video, we have discussed about the world of words. In continuation with the same, today we will have world of words described in 2 points. The first point being Chatvari vak parimita padani, the second point being Upasargaha nipatascha. So without further delay, we will move into the major topic 1, that is Chatvari vak parimita padani. This sentence or the rik or vakyam has been taken from Rigveda, which has been narrated in different manners, and one of the explanations is like this. There are 4 standard kinds of words in Sanskrit as agreed in the corpus. Namakhyata upasarga nipataha. Nama stands for nouns. Akhyataha is none other than verbal forms or verbs. Then upasargaha, that is what today we are going to discuss, that is prefixes. Nipataha, this also will be discussed today, that can be translated as particles or indeclinables in English. So out of these 4, the first 2 express both or either of gender and number by default, that is nama and akhyata. But the latter 2 are not so. They do not possess any lingam and sankhya of their own. They are also identified with various names based on their position, like nipataha, upasargaha, gatihi and avyaya. So let us see some examples. The moment we utter a noun or a verb, they invariably express the number or vachanam. For example, pathati. The moment you say pathati, it stands for ekavachanam. Hasataha stands for dvivachanam. Ramaha ekavachanam. Vanani bahuvachanam. Like this. If the word is a noun, then the gender or lingam is an inseparable component of it. For example, Sita, Akaranta, Strilingaha. Linga is very much expressed. Balaha, Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Shabdaha. Linga is explicitly told. Pushpam, Akaranta, Napumsakalingam. Whereas Nipataha, like Atha, Khalu, Nanu, Sham, Cha, etc., they do not possess any lingam or vachanam of their own. The first 2 out of 4 types of words are discussed in the previous video. The link can be found in the description. Let us discuss the later 2 here in this video. So upasargaha nipatascha. Let us understand the concept of upasargaha. The pradayaha, that are words present in the group pradi, are basically nipatas. Yet they hold the position of upasargas when they are attached before the verbs. Remember, very important thing, pradayaha are not only attached to the verbs or roots, but to the nouns as well. These, unlike the suffixes, are attached prior to the verbs and hence aptly termed in English as prefixes or prepositions. In Sanskrit, we have 22 words under the Gana called Pradi. And what is the nature of these Upasargas or Pradi? Dhatvartham badhate kaschit tam anuvartate tameva vishinashtyanyaha Upasarga gatis tridha. There are 3 types of major activities that an upasarga carries out. That are, it can modify the sense or meaning of the root. It can intensify or sometimes entirely alter the meaning of roots. For example, gacchati, agacchati. Gacchati, as most of us are aware, stands for going, whereas when you add ang upasarga, it becomes agacchati, which stands for completely different meaning, that is to come. Dadati and adadati. Dadati, of course, it stands for giving. Adadati is to take or to receive. Sute, prasute. Here you can see Kaschit tamanuvartate, the meaning of the second line of the shloka. Sute is Shumi Pranigarbha Vimochane is the dhatu, which stands for giving birth to another or offspring. Prasute also stands for the same thing. Then Shinashti, Vishinashti. Shinashti is to decorate or to get an extra meaning to something. Vishinashti is also standing for the same meaning. Whereas the last line or the last but one line, Tameva Vishinashtyannyaha, Namati, Pranamati. When you say Namati, it is bowing down. Pranamati, doing the same action with more vigor. That is Pranamati. Dadati and Pradadati. Entirely the meaning is same, but still there is some extra stress on the meaning when you use Upasarga. Like this, there is another beautiful versification which is very famous also. Upasargena dhatvartho baladanyatra niyate praharahara samhara vihara pariharavat. Here easily one can notice how the meaning changes along with the Upasargas. Ghai harane dhatu, ghai pratyaya is attached with it. The word is hara. Now to this word hara, if you add pra upasarga, it becomes prahara, which means hitting someone or something. Then on upasarga will produce ahara, which is food. Samhara, kill or to destroy. Vihara, playful walk. Parihara, solution. In this manner, one single word hara is getting different meanings along with the upasargas. So let us say vachakaha uta dyotakaha. That means there is an ongoing discussion, perhaps in the tradition of Sanskrit grammar, that whether the upasargas and nipataha carry any sense of their own or simply they do not the sense already present in the root. The Neo-Paninian school of Sanskrit grammar largely holds the belief that upasargaha and nipataha are not vachakaha, but they are dyotakaha. Or in the other terms, the prefixes and the indeclinables simply eliminate the root sense. So the meaning is very much present in a dhatu, and when you add an upasarga, that particular meaning is brought to the limelight. So the action of an upasarga is just to eliminate the meaning which is already present in a dhatu. So dhatus are nanarthakaha. They can contain lot of meaning at the same time. And then what happens when you add an upasarga? What is the functionality of upasarga as far as the vocabulary is concerned? The roots and the nouns prefixed with upasargaha, they produce a huge number of words in myriad of senses yet again. Last video we have seen that the possibility of the vocabulary in Sanskrit by adding suffixes. Nipataha, in the other hand, like cha, vai, tu, he, and anukaranavayas, that means imitative words, to mention a few, carry out both semantic and syntactic derivations, enhancing the linguistic beauty of the Sanskrit language. There is an extensive work done by Professor Charudeva Shastrigal in 1970s on the prepositional verbs of Sanskrit by name Upasargartha Chandrika, spanning over 5 voluminous volumes. This work is available for free in the internet, in the archives.org. People who are interested can refer to the book. So this is largely about 4 types of words that are present in Samskrita Loka, Nama, Khyato, Upasarga, Nipataha, to which there is a Vedic sanction also. With this, we will take a rest for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.